If you regularly check trending content on YouTube, you may have noticed that the trending option has suddenly disappeared from the app. Before we get into the workaround, here is why. YouTube officially announced months ago that the trending page would be discontinued, and the change was fully implemented in July. According to YouTube, visits to the trending tab has steadily dropped over the past 5 years as more users discover popular videos to personalized recommendations, search results, and other platform features. Because of this shift, YouTube removed both the trending page and trending now list and instead encourages users to explore popular content through category based sections within YouTube charts. While the trending option no longer appears in the app, there is still a workaround. All you need to do is navigate to your YouTube Studio, navigate to Analytics, tap the Trends tab. To get started, you can explore the trending page or enter a specific topic in the search bar. And that's it. This way you can get access to the trending content on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.